Oh, hey! Hey, how are ya?
Good. How are you?
Good. Have you ever thought about what the heart does and why we have heart attacks? Sometimes. I'm sure it'd be really interesting though. That jumper you're wearing looks like it's like my
Dad, I'm
childhood
trying to
pet.
do something here. Would you shut up for literally 2 seconds?
I can't.
Oh my God! Help! Someone help!
So then I was like,
Help! Help!
uh-oh.
What happened? So basically, I was just talking to him, and then he passed out. I don't know what's happening.
Check his heart. It's still beating. Call an ambulance.
Hi. Yeah. I really need. Yeah. Oh my God! Wrong number. The number you have reached is this one. I can't ring them. They're on break or something.
Right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Does he drink or smoke?
Yeah. He's an old man.
Probably a heart problem. We should check inside his heart, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, hi!
Have you heard any updates from the doctor yet?
Actually, I have. Looks like one of his arteries are blocked.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good.
He's gonna need a stent installed into his heart.
What's that?
It's basically a cable that holds up the artery, so it's not blocked anymore.
Oh, that sounds cool. I would love to see the doctor putting it in. I feel like it'd be quite